Hey, hi friends. I am live now. Yeah. So guys, you can join the session and yeah, we can start this live session. This is the 21st live session, guys. So you guys can join this live session. So first of all, guys, very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Okay. I can see now the audience is joining now. The viewers are joining now. Hey, hi Suresh. So, guys, please, I know it's a holiday mood for everyone, but as I said, I'm honest with my things and all. So, I'm every Sunday, I'm doing the live session around 9 p.m. only most of the time. So, I request all of you to join this live session and yeah, and you can ask your questions, career related questions, career guidance, right, related to Linux, AWS, right? Or a cloud, any cloud is fine, and Devops tools and all. Okay, you guys can ask, suit your questions. I'm happy to answer your questions, guys. And again, guys, first of all, a very, very, very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Uh, right, your life will be full of happiness. That is what my wish to God. And even I did puja this. I'm doing, it's been like from last 2 years I've been doing this. Okay, this is the second year I am doing that. Yeah, Ganesh Chaturthi. So fine, guys, you guys can ask your question one by one, but let me tell you one thing, one request, guys. I just wanted to um, do it in front of all of you guys, that guys, I can see that, see, effort has to be from both the sides, right? So I am putting my effort, but I need your effort also, and I need your support also, guys. So one small request to all of my viewers, subscribers and members. Anyways, those who are member, they have already subscribed to my channel, and those who are right subscriber, they have already subscribed to the channel. But I can see most of the people are not subscribing the channel, guys. See, the request what you guys are telling me, I am trying to fulfill everyone request. Now I started with RHCSA series as well in my channel, if you guys know, right? So, so that is what, and I just want only one support from you guys, that you guys should support the channel, and let's spread it across everyone so that everyone can get benefit out of it. So I can still see, guys. Okay, so now the subscriber counts are very less. That is what, and the views are good. That is one good thing, that I know that you guys are watching. The watch hour is more, right? So first of all, I want to appreciate for that one. But it will take hardly 1 second to click that subscribe button, and for a longer run, guys, that is what, if you want to go long run, then I need your support, guys. I need your support. Okay, so without the support of your audience or the viewers, nobody can go forward, right? So I need your support. So those who have not subscribed to my channel, I request all of them to please go ahead and subscribe now, and press the bell icon for all the latest notification from my channel, right? So I'm trying to put all the content what you guys are requesting now or going forward. That is what I'll fulfill everyone, don't worry about that one. I'll fulfill everyone request in my channel itself, right? And that is what I can maximum say, and it will hardly take a 1 second only to subscribe. That, click on that button, that's it. I want you to just click on that button. I need your support, guys. Very honestly, I'm telling you, I need your support. The content I am putting, you guys also know that most of you guys are getting job. Okay, now I'm getting so many mails, comments, and from everyone, right? So you guys are getting jobs. So first of all, congratulations to everyone whoever recently got the job. I don't have a proper list as of now with me. Okay, so I could spell their name, I can call up their name here, right? And even I can see I'm getting comments that in the mail itself that most of you are able to switch within the company also, right? So a very good insight I am also giving in my all videos, that how you can grow within the organization also, right? So every request you guys want from me, I am ready to fulfill all of your requests now or going forward. Everything is in pipeline, don't worry about that one. This channel is not a short period, okay? So this channel is not for a shorter duration, okay? The channel has to be a very long way to go, and it's only because of you guys love and support I am doing all this thing, guys. So first of all, again, thank you for all of you for doing, right? So let me go one by one questions, guys. And guys, those please don't try to spam any of that is what I'm telling, the chat, okay, the live chat and all. Okay, so I'll take one by one questions from everyone. And again, I told, please don't try to spam this live session from day one. I am telling you, those whoever anyone wants to communicate, okay. And if you are from any other YouTube channel or from anywhere, please don't try to spam this one, okay. So I'm going to block you if you are trying to do it. If you are trying to derail this live session, guys, don't try to derail. I have seen this from. So this is why I'm only allowing my subscriber only to during the live session who really needs a right suggestion and all. Okay, so I'll go one by one. Hey, hi Suresh, thank you for joining this session. Hi Daud, good evening for joining this session. Divya Rajan, good evening, sir. Sir, my concern is I am not getting call in Naukri portal because of I have 1.6 years of experience in Linux, and now I have a career gap of 1 year already till now. So how to get a call? Okay, so Divya, for you, I said very clearly there is a playlist where I have told there are total. Okay, let me tell you today also, guys, how you are going to get the call and all. So first thing is that your resume has to be your see in every resume there is a headline should be there, okay. There are three four factors which is very very responsible to get a call, Divya. Okay, so the first thing is that your resume headline will start with whatever the certification if you have done it, okay. So please mention those things. Just 1 second, let me share something with you guys. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. I'll take one by one because there are some confidential information which I cannot show you as per the company confidential issues and all. So I'm making some changes, okay, and then let me share my screen with you guys, okay, because in the live session I don't share my screens and all, but I can see. Let me share my screen so you guys will come to know. So you'll get a complete idea from this. Okay. Once you guys are able to see my screen through Divya only, let me tell you all these things, what she is expecting. So it's going to benefit to all of you, right? Yeah. So once my screen is visible to all of you guys, let me know. Just say yes or no. Okay. So okay, I'll come to, okay, one by one, guys. Okay, let me share my screen quickly, guys. Let me know once you guys are able to see my screen. Okay, are you guys able to see my screen? Are you guys able to see my screen? Okay. Thank you, Pratik. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, Susil. Thank you, Divya, for letting me know. Now, Divya, through you only, I'll answer most of you guys' queries. Okay. So just see my resume. Okay. I'll start with here. So, Divya, as you can see here, this is a very standard resume. Okay. This is not fully up to dated. It's almost like I have 13 plus years of experience now. So you can see here, right? Let me remove this one, guys. This is something which I should not show because so please don't mention. Okay, wherever. Okay, so there are some confidential information which you need to take care. So see, this is the part in the topmost of your resume. Okay, it's always starts with your some certification. Suppose if you have done some certification within the organization, or if you have done it from outside, so please mention at the top of the resume. Immediately after that, you guys should mention your name, your email id, right, and this, and your mobile number. Now you see this one, resource profile. Okay, resource profile means what? You are a resource for our organization. So you should mention that, suppose you are a lead DevOps engineer, because this is not updated now, I'm associate manager. Okay, so just very crisp and solid. Okay, don't mention too many things, because if you mention too many things, so it will be a problem for you only. So just try to make very crisp and all, that you have expertise. Suppose you know Linux, you know cloud, you know DevOps tools and all, right? So obviously under cloud, all the clouds will come, because I have worked on all the clouds, AWS, Azure, and GCP. So this is why I have mentioned cloud. Okay, so if you have only worked with AWS, mention AWS. You know DevOps tools, so you cannot put everything over here, so it will look bulky, right? So you have to make sure in the DevOps there are so many tools comes that you can tell later on. Okay, just down the resume only. So if you see here my relevant skills, so you see these are the things which I have worked. So being a evaluator, being a interviewer, if suppose I have to evaluate you, then what things I look first? So it is good, right? So if I immediately jump that your overall skill set, this is not for a particular organization, this is a overall skill set what I had during these 13 plus years of experience, guys. So you see I have tried to put everything whichever I have done it. Okay, so this will give them a idea. No, this guy know these many tools, these many technologies, these many operating system. He is aware of cloud, he is aware of shell scripting and all. So being a very honest resource, being a very honest, right, candidate, mention only those things which you know first thing, so that immediately it will highlight to the evaluator. No, okay, I have to ask, I have to stick with these only tools, so I'll ask question to him or her from this skill set only. And then what all your other skill sets you have, and as you can see the certifications and all I have mentioned over here. Both the ways you can do it, guys. You either you can mention this certification at the top of your resume, or you can mention your certification over here. So now you see my entire journey is into a single page in the starting of the resume, correct? So which is good. You want to make things, it is very simple and easy. See, I have consolidated those 13 plus of years into a single page. Anyone can, when they will first impression is the last impression, right? So when their first impression, it will go here, right? So they can ask question from here only, correct? So immediately after this, if you see that, you have to mention your professional experience one by one. So your current company has to be here. So your current company means, suppose you have working for employer name, means which company you are working for, project name, okay, start date and end date, because currently I am working here, so I have mentioned the current working also. Now immediately after that, you have to mention your responsibilities, means your day to day activities. Now suppose if you have to find out what are your day to day activities, so in that case, Divya, you need to do is, see, whatever the work you have been you have been doing during your 1.6 years of experience, or a 2 years of experience, or a 3 years of experience, right? Just see, suppose you have worked on an incident, you have worked on a service request, you have worked on a some kind of a migration work or a vulnerability work, there will be a ticket, right? Every request will have a ticket number, then only your work is accountable, correct? Then only their charging is there, everything will be charged. How you are going to make sure that you are working? So you should have a ticket number, through that only see, they are not knowing that what you are working. So through system, through the tickets and only, they will come to know, okay, you have worked on this work, you have worked on this work. But now everybody is working in agile, so user stories has been assigned to them, correct? So those user stories has a user story number, and there will be a point. So they'll come to know, suppose if I am working on a vulnerability remediation, okay, so that vulnerability remediation is a user story, and it's going to take another 3 days to complete that vulnerability, right? So that is a user story for me, correct? So like that, your work is accountable. Take out those summary and mention those things only over here. This is the way you can mention your roles and responsibility, guys. Clear? Now see, immediately after this, see, everywhere I have mentioned it like this only, all the things and all, right? And immediately if you see my first company, if you see here, I have mentioned this is my starting, when I have started. So this is very, there is no change. Even though if you guys can see, the resume is of 7 pages, but nobody will feel difficulty to find out what all things I have worked on, right? If they don't want to go scroll down towards, see, whenever somebody is going to ask you in the interview, okay, so you only have to tell you about your current organization and your overall skill set, right? That's it. Don't tell too much things, okay? Very crisp and simple and easy, right? This is how you can prepare your resume, Divya. So this is one idea I have given to guys. Now I hope this is very clear, right? So, and then finally, guys, there are some other things also. Once you upload your resume, so in your resume, there are things which you need to highlight, right? In your Naukri portal or any other job portal from wherever. I'm not promoting anything over here. Okay. So in the Naukri portal also, if you go to your profile, okay, in your profile also, you can mention how many, see, even if I have not updated anything, but my profile has been searched. If you let me show you this also, okay, but my profile has been searched. See here, see how many times my profile has been searched over here, right? So are you guys able to see? Right? So you can see clearly here that my profile has been searched almost 3510. Okay. 94 recruiter action is there. But this I have not at all updating. I don't know from how many years. Okay. But even after that, the reason behind that one, you have to select all the skill sets properly, keywords, because HR, how HR is not a technical person. HR is a person who especially rely on the keywords. Okay, so they are going to find out some keywords. So you have to mention those keywords under the roles and responsibility or in the skill sets and all. Okay, under those skill sets, if you mention, immediately your resume will be get shortlisted. Now this is one way, Divya. What is the second way? I said the important point is that every, see, this is not a, some kind of a right I would say like hard and fast. Okay, but yes, since I know if you keep on updating your resume twice a day, okay, that I have told in my many of my video where I'm doing career counseling, we can go through those videos and you will come to know, right? So this is one way. Another thing is through LinkedIn and all, okay, there is a, you need to establish your network first of all, okay. Your network should be strong, so you need to be being a part of many groups also. In the Facebook there will be a DevOps group, right? In the LinkedIn also there will be a DevOps group or a Linux group or a cloud group will be there, right? So in LinkedIn also you need to reach out. And there is also one more thing I just wanted to show you. This is a very strong point I am telling you guys. So how I used to do it, okay? So let me share my this one once again. Once you guys are able to see my screen, let me know, okay? One thing I am searching for you guys, immediately I'll show you. Let me 1 second. Just give me a few minutes, which is very important for you guys. So you guys will understand how to get a call and all. Okay. So there are many ways, guys, and I have explained in my videos also. Yeah, 1 second. See this one. Guys, as you, if you are 1 second, Divya, just see this one through you only, so many of you, because this question is coming back to back. So I have told in the career counseling also, but for everyone, let me share immediately. Okay. So just see this one. Guys, are you able to see my screen? Please let me know. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Yogesh. Uh, here, not this one. One. Yeah, see this one. So Divya and everyone, this is for all my viewers. You see, this is a Randstad company. All of you know that this company is very well known company, and this is a urgent opening for a Red Hat Linux system administrator. Okay, whoever is telling me, see, they wanted to know. There are so many questions also that sir. So and there is also once every question has been answered here only. So they have been asked, sir, whether if a Linux administrator, whether we need to go to office or whether we need to work from home. Okay, so you see, this is a hybrid. Being a Linux admin also, you can work from home, and you can, because after COVID you are getting opportunity to work from home. And now, because since COVID has been gone so long way, so now everybody is working from office, so still there is a hybrid. Now package also, you guys can understand what you are going to get as a Linux admin. You only tell me. Okay, now, okay, so whatever the data I am providing in front of you guys, and I am not promoting anything over here, I'm just mentioning. Okay, this is according to my data I am presenting in front of you. For a 3 to 5 years of experience, how much package you are going to get as a Linux admin, in front of you only. Go and find out. Okay, 5 to 12 lakhs. Now the most important part is, Divya, okay, you see, there is a, sent me your updated resume to Durga Lakshmi dot s at the rate of randstad.in. Okay, so here I am not promoting anything. You can find out any, it doesn't matter. Okay, Hitachi Digital, okay, any of the organization. So there will be a email, guys, at the end of, you need to find out. See, nothing comes, nobody is going to spoon feed you. Okay, you have to work hard to get the calls and all. So calls will not immediately you are going to get. So you have to find out those emails and all, whichever mention. You have to search at the bottom of the job description of your JD, just see is there any email ID is mentioned. See, normally what we do, we click on this apply button and we forgot. Okay, no, you don't have to do it like this. Okay, everybody is doing like this. So my suggestion is that what you need to do, just try to find out that particular, there is a extra mile you need to go, guys. Without your, if you don't put your effort, nothing is going to work. Just send a resume to her, right, and send a resume that that I am looking, I am interested in job role, my roles. See, you, this is my attached resume, please find my attached resume, whichever the language you are comfortable with, and hopefully I am looking forward to get a response from you, like that. You have to try, and just after that move on. Okay, just go to the next, go to the next, like that you need to apply. Okay, so this is one way, uh, right? Vishal Sharma, yes, sir, it's visible, right? So, guys, like this way only you need to work. Okay, this is one way. Now you are understanding. Resume is a one part, Divya, right? Once you apply, so every 24 hours you have to update your resume twice. Early in the morning, I am not telling you that this is something which is I have decided, but why I tell, because at 4 o'clock in the morning I used to update my resume, and then in the evening I used to update my resume when I have to get a call. First of all, see why, because every time the database has to be updated. So if you keep on updating your resume, suppose you have to change some skill sets and all, make changes and update. Now you have understand other way also, that how you are going to get the call. You need to send mails to them, right, where you are getting email ID. Same way you have to do it in the LinkedIn, same way you have to do it. So there are many ways, guys. There are 3 to 4 or 5 ways I have explained. Just now I have explained 2 to 3 ways, Divya. Okay, and if you want to know more about that, how to get a call and all, please go ahead and see in my career counseling. There also I have explained to my members, whoever I am doing career counseling, because I have to take other questions also. So I thought to tell everyone. Now quickly I'll take the other questions, guys. Sir, I learned Linux and then I forgot how to overcome. So Dawood, I did not understand your question. I learned Linux and then I forgot how to overcome this. Overcome this means what? Means Linux you want to overcome? I did not understand. Uh, please let me know what exactly you are looking for. Vishal Sharma, sir, can you help me to remember regex and any simplex or tricks method to work with? Okay. So this and all is a technical question, Vishal. That is what I told you. It is related to, right, shell scripting and all, right? So what I would suggest that for this, please join my channel membership, where I look after the questions and all. Okay, so these questions I can see, right, where and all. And even you can see this one in shell scripting, there is a playlist also, you can find out. One second, I'll tell you which is that playlist, Vishal. Yeah, so Linux shell scripting is already available in my channel, Vishal. Okay, so Linux bash shell. Mm. Yeah, so this is a playlist which I'm going to ping to this group. Okay, so guys, there is a playlist, Linux shell scripting beginner to expert level course. Vishal, in that one I have explained everything. Okay, please go through that playlist, and let me ping you that playlist also. There are more than 19 videos are available in this playlist, so you can come to know. Okay, and even if you want to, okay, do it from my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, you can do it from there also. No, I think there I have not uploaded this and all. It's available in my channel itself. Okay, So this is there, Vishal. Okay. So fine. So guys, what is the? So I think Vishal, I have answered your question, right? Vishal, Milind, hello sir, hello Milind. Thank you for joining this session. And then yeah, Yogesh, thank you. And then Wasim sir, we need your support to work on industry relevant cases. What real time challenges are there that has to be addressed? So that I am already doing, Wasim. That is what I am keep on doing some. See, it's already available. There is so many real time troubleshooting scenarios. It's in there in my 100 days of Linux interview question and answer. It's there. Now I have started a series also, Linux server real time troubleshooting. There also I'm explaining. And if you want to know more about this one, then my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp is there. So you guys can go there and you can come to know from there also, right? So in my channel only there are so many plus every video has a real time. I am, see, while explaining any of the topic, I am also explaining what all the real time challenges are there, and how you have to address those challenges and all. So please go through my each and every videos. It's not career counseling videos I'm telling. There are almost 360 videos are available in my channel itself. Okay. So my request is that please go ahead and see all those videos, right, where I have Linux 100 plus interview question and answer. Learn corporate Linux is there in that also. There also in more than some 50 plus videos are there, right? In there also, shell scripting also I have explained what will be the real time issues and how you can address those issues, real time challenges. Or your question is something else you are looking for, Washim, right? But as a technical point of view, I have explained most of the things. Now going forward, same thing you guys are going to get it for the AWS as well. So which is already I have started, okay, in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Now it's going to be in my channel soon. Videos will be there, the course, and plus your interview question and answer, because there are, I think, some four parts only I have done it. I know I stopped because the request was coming more towards the Linux side. Okay, so this is why I'm trying to fulfill your Linux request. So now I think I have covered enough content in the Linux. Okay, and whatever the request will be keep on coming, I am fulfilling all those requests. But only request from you guys that please go ahead and subscribe the channel. That is what support I needed from you guys. Okay, so without that, your support, I cannot do anything. Correct. So that is there, guys. But anyways, now my focus is towards the AWS and database. In database also, it's going to be your MySQL database. So in my channel, so this is what my going forward plan is. So guys, whatever your request is, keep on commenting. I'll take up your request, don't worry about that one, and I'll fulfilling your request. But now the my focus of the channel is going to be your AWS and your database. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to focus on my channel. After that, it's the focus will be towards the DevOps tools and all. Once you guys are fully, now I think as per me, you guys have very good understanding, and you guys are already got the jobs and all, the playlist which I have already published in my channel through that, right? So it's more towards the AWS side. Okay, videos are there AWS, but it is, I think, part 4 till part 4 AWS interview question and answer I have published only 40 questions and all. It's going to be 300 plus questions, guys, and course is also going to come soon. So like this, I am rolling it out all my videos in my channel. So I think I have answered your question, Wasim. Vishal sir, I got offer from Google on-site and Nvidia as well. Thank you for, see, Vishal. Thank you, Vishal. That is what the announcement I told you guys. See, my subscribers, okay. So especially, I want to thank you, Vishal, for mentioning this thing. That and many. First of all, guys, we need to tell congratulations to Vishal, right? So many more congratulations to you, Vishal, again. So I was telling you that most of you guys are getting job, okay, and a big uh, thank you for you also for mentioning in the live session, Vishal, because see, what I have seen also this also, that you need somebody needs guts also to, because I know I know most of us are like introvert or some of them are extrovert, but most of us are like introvert. They don't mention and all, but they forgot their right instructor and all, but it, so that nothing, no worries guys. My job is to provide you the content, okay. Now I totally respect you and I totally appreciate you. It doesn't matter you mention in the comment or you don't mention also in the comment that that you have selected on and all, but only thing I need a support from you. I am keep on producing content like this, Vishal, right, and going forward also. But only thing is I need support, that you guys should subscribe and watch my videos, guys, and let's spread across everyone. So not only Vishal, I want everyone to get an offer from Google and to get an offer from Nvidia, right? So like this you can understand. Thank you, Vishal. So now see, Vishal got an offer from Google and Vishal got an offer from Nvidia as well. So what else you need it? So you can understand the course content what I'm providing to you guys. So thank you, Vishal, for mentioning this thing. Divya Rajan sir, how to overcome interview fear? Okay. So Divya, so see, just see me only, okay. If you have to overcome interview fear, only practice can makes things perfect for you, Divya. So how you can make practice? So as I said, I'm not sure, I don't think so you have joined my channel membership, okay, or you have purchased my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So for that you need to give mock interviews. If you are very fearful to give an interview and all, okay, so my suggestion is that, Divya, please give more and more mock interviews, okay. So I am happy to take the mock interview. I can take at any point of time the mock interviews and all, right. So please, if you are willing to give the mock interview in Linux or anyways Linux shell scripting and the automation, or even you can come for the database also, AWS, I'm happy. So DevOps engineer or any of the role, platform engineer, SRE role, right, DevOps engineer role, cloud engineer role, any role, you let me know, I'll take your interview, okay. But you have to, if you have to come out of a fear, so nobody else can do it. It only, and I cannot tell you, see, if I'll tell you, no, Divya, you have to watch these videos and all, you have to listen so many music and also, no. See, only you can come out of the fear of interview. If you're feeling you're afraid of interview, so it's only your practice, okay. And how you are going to make practice? You have to give interviews to someone. So nobody is going to see now how it's possible. Like, Divya, there are so many candidates who are fearful for the interviews and all, right. So if you have to overcome this one, Divya, you have to see all the videos. Like, Kavya is there, she was giving interview, right. Sapna is there, she is a fresher, she was a fresher only. You see that there are many candidates whose Tatineni Teja was the recently last video which I have published for the AWS interview I was taking, right. So see, there are so many candidates, and once they give interview to Mina, immediately after that they will select, okay. So because, see, most of them, because that hesitation has to go. And that hesitation, how it will go? Once you give your mock interview, live mock interviews and all, okay, right. So my suggestion is that only, Divya, then only you can overcome your fear. Jasper Yadav, sir, please share your opinion on the AI industry. See, Jasper, for me, it's a revolution. Okay, obviously. See, now, earlier we have to look after the Google for everyone. If you see, Chat GPT is a revolution, kind of a revolutionary. Means, I would say it's a more of a very handy now for everyone, where we were looking for the answers from the Google itself, right. So if suppose you are trying to find out, right, and now if you have to get a code in Python, if you have to get a code in shell scripting, so, but you need to understand the complete workflow. If somebody knows the complete workflow, the start and end of a project, then he can break down that workflow into pieces, right? And from there he can get idea from the AI, right? Or suppose if he has to write a code for the CI/CD pipeline, okay. Suppose if you don't know the code about the you have knowledge of shell scripting, okay, but you are a very beginner, right? But you don't know, but you know, but at the same time you need to learn shell scripting. Jasper, this is just an example I am giving you. Suppose I am only telling you, if I'll tell you write a script to install Ansible, fine. So first you need to understand why we are installing Ansible, right? And where we are going to install Ansible. So that workflow you need to understand first, right? So that means how, suppose if any issues will come, and in the script what changes, what tweaks you can do it, that also you should know. How you will know? Suppose what a genuine means, chat gpt, what he'll do is, suppose you want a script to install Ansible, right? But your operating system configuration is different, there are some other configurations are available in your operating system, right? So how you can adjust those values in that particular shell scripting? So chat gpt can give you the script to install Ansible, but those values you have to make changes in that cell scripting, right? Then how you are going to make those changes if you don't know only what is a variable, what is a function, why we are using if then, why we are using if then else here, why we are using, so there are so many, why we are giving input to a script and all, right? So you have to learn complete, then only you can use the AI properly. You are understanding my point, guys? It's a complete waste for you if you only thinking that AI is going, so AI is not going to troubleshoot for you, Jasper. You tell me, if suppose AI is going to troubleshoot you, because he can give you so many things what you are willing to, it's not a genie, okay? That exactly the same thing, it's, so you have to construct it, it's according to your requirement. So AI is, according to me, it's good also. And there are some cons also for that one, obviously. Because if a person, suppose if a 5 person is working in an environment, okay, and but it is more destructive for the developers, very honestly I'm telling you, this is more destructive for a developer. Where, but at the same time I don't feel that anyone job is in trouble. Only thing is that that person should know how to use AI in an efficient manner, okay? So I think, so it's not a my opinion is this only, Jasper. There are pros also, there are cons also. So the cons part I not told you, the reason because is that, see, suppose I don't see a cons, means there is a disadvantage of the AI and all, because we need to we revolution is something which is always good for the society, I know, but we need to learn things. Okay. So if you're thinking that you have to still, because see, earlier, suppose if you are executing a command, okay, if you have to do a patching, for example, I am telling you, if you have to do a patching, okay, so how we were doing manual patching and all, right? That takes a lot of time, right? That requires a downtime and all, right? But now we were doing patching through either through the Ansible playbooks, or we are doing through the shell scripting also. There will be a script which you are executing, Jasper, right? So these are the things. Automation is something, so you can take the help from the AI, okay, like a chat gpt, right? So where you can get those scripts to do the patching automatically, right? So in that, but at the same time you should know how to, if suppose that script is not 100%, right? So you need to make sure how you are going to tweak those values, how you are going to make that changes, right? So it's like that. So both the ways it is fine, I don't see that AI is, now you are mentioning how AI is dangerous, so I think you got the answer, right, Jasper? So please sir explain LVM system. So Roshan, I think very very a very in depth, very good, okay, I have explained LVM, it's in my channel only, it is available. I'm not sure if you are not able to find out, please go ahead and find out. Learn corporate Linux, this is the playlist where you are going to get this one. in my channel only it is available. Okay, so this is the playlist which I have pinged you, Rajan, sorry, Roshan Thapa. So you can go with and you can find out. Okay, so in this playlist, and even there is a dedicated if you go with my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp, okay, here also in RHEL 9 I have explained. Okay, so you guys can go here and get this one. Here you are going to find out everything, and I have, at the same time I have told you that why you have to get this 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. Fine. So let's move on to the next question. Hi sir, I'm currently system administrator, 4 years of experience. How to switch to switch, kindly guide me. Okay, so in okay, Suresh, right, there are so many videos where I have explained how you can switch. Okay, for you can go through this career counseling, the playlist in my channel itself. It's available in my channel, career counseling, career guidance, one-to-one mentorship. I think there are more than 30 videos are available in this one. So please go through these videos. You'll find out multiple times I have explained, Suresh. Okay, that how you can switch a job, or if you want to switch it to Linux only, you want to switch it to DevOps, you want to switch it to it depends upon your existing skill sets, right, and your existing knowledge. Okay, and if you want to do a career counseling, then join my career counseling, join my channel membership. I'll do that career counseling for you. Prabhu sir, please don't. Okay, yeah, that is what guys, I told you that please don't spam. Okay, thank you for letting me know. Okay, sir, please explain how to recover failed VG. Prabhu, I have explained everything. Please, I said it is already available in my channel. Okay, I said, guys, sorry, I don't know why you guys are. Okay, so Prabhu, I have already mentioned, right? Ask genuine questions, guys. These questions I have already available in my channel. Please go ahead and watch that one, right? Rahul Redkar, sir, how to switch? Venkatesh, Venki, hi Abhishek. Hey, hi Venkatesh. How to switch in Linux? Can I do a Camtasia? Okay. So this also I have explained, Rahul. Please go through my career counseling where I have explained how you can switch in Linux. Okay. And if you want to go for a career counseling, please connect with me as a channel member, and I'll do your career counseling and I'll let you know. First, I need to see, right, that where exactly you are, right? Vishal Sharma sir, resume format starts with summary, skills, experience, education. Summary, skills, experience, education, certification, extra. No, certification you have to mention at the starting of the resume, Vishal. Okay. Extra project achievements, IT work for. Okay. So yeah, I think you are good, but yeah, certification you can mention at the top of the resume. Rest all is fine, Vishal. Okay. Subramaniam, hi sir, how can I contact you for Linux training? And currently I am from the banking domain. Can I shift my career from a banking IT domain? Yes, 100%, Subramaniam. Uh, Subramaniam, yeah, sorry, Subu. Okay, so I call you Subu. So Subu, you can do one thing. That is what you can recently, guys. As I told you, I forgot to tell you guys that I am going to start two batches. Okay, one is it's not 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp again. That is the batch is already going on. So in that one, AWS is going on, and once the AWS will be finished, DevOps will be. I'll be starting. Okay, so there is a Linux plus shell scripting. That is a 40 days of IT corporate bootcamp, which I'm going to start because of this Ganesh Chaturthi. I have postponed for 3-4 days. So I know there are two batches is going to start. One is going to be in Hindi and another one is going to be in English. So in the both the batches, guys, I am going to take 40 days of IT corporate bootcamp. In that one, complete Linux administration plus shell scripting I am going to take. Okay, so that will be there with all real-time projects and all, right, and troubleshooting also. So you can connect with me, Subu. Okay, and you can join my channel membership and you can ping me. I'll let you know the details and all, or you can ping me your email ID over here only. Okay, just ping me your email ID, Subu, so that I can take your email ID. If you have your email ID, just ping me your email ID, Subu. Okay, so or you can one second, guys. What I can do is, Subbu, yeah, if anybody wants to join, again, I am pinging this one at the rate of gmail.com. Abhishek88 Roshan at the rate of gmail.com, guys. Uh, Anybody wants to join, okay? Anyone wants to join the 40 days of IT corporate bootcamp, the live classes, they can join this one. They can just mail me, and they just tell me that in the subject line, interested in Hindi batch or English batch. That's it. Last live session also I have told this one, guys. Since the classes was supposed to start from 5th of September, right? But it is not started. The reason behind that one, because in between some festival came, Ganesh Chaturthi came, so I do Ganesh Puja at my home. So it's going to start from 10th of September. So again, I am going to mail everyone, okay, whoever is interested, with a link, that this is the link and this is the timing. They can join, and they can join the demo classes first. So once they will satisfy, then you guys can continue. But there are two batches only which I am going to start. First one is 40 days of IT corporate bootcamp in Hindi and in English. Both I am going to start, but I need to see that how many of you are okay with the timings and all. Okay. So that link I'll share with you guys. Just join the demo classes, and then you guys can take the decision. For demo classes, you no need to pay anything. And one more thing I just wanted to clear to everyone, Linux, my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp is the golden. I'm telling you guys, it's not from me. Everybody is getting job out of it. Is the golden course in the entire YouTube. I can say honestly, I'm not so overwhelmed and all, because the responses I got it from everyone through that only. If nobody has bought it, please go ahead and buy, because there is an offer going on as of now, and in that one, I everything you are going to get at a single place. And I can challenge on that. And one more thing, that is a recorded videos. Listen very carefully. In all my live sessions, I am telling you, that are not live classes. Nobody is going to teach you. Who you only tell me a course of 6 months, anyone is going to teach you a free of cost? Very honestly, I am asking a question to all of you, right? So, and nobody, so that is a recorded video course of my live classes which is going on, okay? And those are the recorded videos only, right? And this is online videos. Those videos you cannot download to your system as per the copyright policy and the content policy and all, right? Because there are recently so many instructor has reported that their videos has been downloaded, and it has been used in many other channels or in other platforms and also a strict legal action has been taken against those guys. So this is that reason, guys. Those are the videos which you need to see online only, okay? Those videos are recorded videos, and those are available in my abhishekroshan.com website, where you guys can go ahead and you can watch those videos at a self pace without any interruption, okay? Right? So, guys, that is fine. I have given my email ID and all. I'll take your requests and all. And finally, what I can do is I am going to send a link to all of them who are interested in Hindi classes, and all of them who is interested in English classes for 40 days of IT corporate bootcamp. And their batches is going to start from 10th of September. That is a demo classes first. First, you guys join, decide after that. Okay. And the course fee is, very honestly, I'm telling you, it's 10K, which is as per the, I have also mentioned what is the reason behind that. The course fee has to be there because the course content is very practical course content. It's a corporate training only. The training which I give, it's a corporate training only. Few questions also I am going to take off as of now, guys. Let me take few questions. I think I have taken the Jasper question, sir. Can you please give us the roadmap step by step, like from where and how to begin the Linux administration and certification related to that? So as of now, Allah Baksh, you no need to talk about, as I said very clearly, you no need to think of the certification, first you need to go with the, I said, the topic wise. If you see my course content, you need to go topic wise only. Okay, so the roadmap of a Linux administration is that first you need to cover. Okay, let me see the other questions also, and I'll come to your question immediately, Alavax. So Naha, for real-time K8 cluster, which will be the best tool to implement networking and dashboard? There are so many tools for this one, Naha. There is a open lens also. Okay, for to see that, there is a one tool which I told you. The open lens is one of the client, okay, which I have used in my previous project for the K8 cluster, right, to see all the nodes and all. That is what answer to your question immediately. uh, where you can see all your cluster which is down, which is up, and all you can connect to through your PowerShell, means your yeah, right, to all those clusters and all, to all those nodes and all, right. So you can connect. uh, Bunty Dubey sir, what are the mostly faced scenarios and their troubleshooting? Bunty, I would suggest there are so many. There are what are the mostly faced scenarios and their troubleshooting? So, so mostly faced, I cannot say it's a one and all, Bunty. There are so many troubleshooting which I have done during these 13 plus years of experience. Okay, so that is what. So every troubleshooting is important according to me. You cannot say, okay, no, this is a specific. Yes, there are some troubleshootings. Troubleshooting is something which you are going to face in your production environment, Bunty, first of all, right? So you cannot tell this troubleshooting is going, you are going to. So maybe suppose you are troubleshooting on something. For example, I am only telling you, suppose you have faced a, for example, what was the last NFS issue and all, right? So I told you, there is a NFS issue where we have to see that whether NFS server is running or not. We are not able to mount something. So that issue is also related to, you will see there is a device BG issue, right, which you face when you try to mount something. So it depends upon, at that when you try to troubleshoot, there will be a new issue will be coming. Okay, so you cannot tell this particular issue, you, it's a specific issue which you are going to get every time. Yes, I can tell you there are some issues which I am already doing, which I am already publishing videos related to that one in my channel, right? Because when you do troubleshooting, there could be multiple issues will be keep on coming. If you are try to install some of the packages, you will get another issue, right? You are not able to install. So you need to use a, because of the some of the dependencies, right? So there is a hyphen skip broken, right? There is a command which we need to add like this. So it comes when you work. When you not work, when you don't do practice, then you will not come to know what all types of issues you are going to face. It's totally depends upon how much practice you do, Bunty. Okay, so I think I have given your answer, right? So Susil, hi Abhishek, one quick question. I am a new to channel, could you please explain about joining the channel? Yes, okay, I'll tell you, Susil, for this one. See, to join the channel membership, there is a nominal fee which I have kept it. Okay, that is less than a pizza or a burger price. Okay, that is 159 rupees only. And if you join this one, so again I am telling you, there are some services which I am providing to all my channel members. What all those services are there? So if you join this one, immediately you will be eligible for a mock interview. You will be eligible for career counseling. You are eligible for your doubt clarification, means if you ask me anything, I'll answer those questions. Okay, so I'll provide you one Teams link, Sushil. So once you join the channel membership, immediately after that you will be in the post for members only. There is a post available. So once you join the channel membership, you will be able to see those posts, okay, in my channel only. So you need to click on the Teams link. I'll accept, means your request will come to me on Teams, and once I'll accept your request, I'll immediately after that there will be a message to you that you have to wait for some time for the career counseling, for the mock interview, whichever you are interested. Because as I said, some of you guys have, I know, see, I cannot make everyone happy, okay? uh See, the thing is that there is a process, there is a system for everyone. So if somebody has applied for first time, see, if a person who is already applied, uh he has already raised a request, for example, I'm telling you, right? So I have to listen to him if he has raised that request like 10 days before or 20 days before. So I see, so I can download the list of all my members and I see who has joined, like how many days or months they have been waiting for their career counseling. So first I'll go with those guys only, Susil, okay? So it's not like that immediately once you join the channel ship that you are going to get the career counseling, because I am a single person. There is no 10 3 or 4 or 5 Abhishek is available to take your career counseling. So I can take one career counseling at a time. At the same time, in a day hardly I can take three maximum 2 or 3 career counseling, because I have to give you the solution properly. It's not like that simply 10 minutes I can take a career counseling, no. So that is one way, okay? So once you join the, you will be eligible for career counseling, you will be eligible for mock interview, you will be eligible for all the, I would say, your doubts and all, which you can ask me in Teams. I'll answer those questions, Susil. So I hope you have understand what is all about this channel membership, okay? And the second thing is that there are chances that it will go to next month also. So hardly, I don't think so monthly. And there is also one thing I want to communicate to everyone through you, that most of you are telling, sir, uh, that the how to make payment to that membership. So again, that payment is not controlled by me, it is controlled and totally managed by Google and YouTube, okay? That entire system they have only developed. So I just given those perks, means those are the services that I have written it down, that what, once you join the channel membership, what all services you are going to get. But payment related anything, you need to mail to Google and you need to reach out to YouTube, okay? I don't have control over it, okay? But I have kept a very low price for that one, guys. That is a nominal price, 159 rupees monthly, for the channel membership. This is what, Susil, okay? So I hope I'm able to answer. If you have any doubt, any concerns or queries, you can ask me, Susil, okay? Sai, hi sir. It is good to with AWS or DevOps engineer as an experienced person, but not having experience in this field. Okay, so Sai Radha, I think you have already. I think I have seen your comments in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp also, that you have already joined there. So it is good to go with AWS admin or a DevOps engineer, right? As an experienced person, so but not. See, I think your career counseling is not done yet, Sai Radha. Okay, Sai, let me call you Sai. Okay, so my suggestion is that just ping me in Teams. Let me take your career counseling first. I think recently only you have joined my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So guys, one more thing, those who are joining my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, they are also going to get all these services free. You no need to pay anything with the course. You are going to get the course content also, plus you are going to get all these services free. So I said, in both the hands you have sweets. Now you have to decide what you want to go with, my channel membership or you want to go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So once you join my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, you are eligible for career counseling, you are eligible for mock interview, you are eligible for doubt clarification, you are eligible for resume preparation, you are eligible for referral also. So in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, I am giving all these services which is free from at the with the course, included course, right? So that is what. So I would suggest, Sai, please send me a request in Teams, okay? Anyways, I have given a link already in the dashboard. Just click on that one. I'll take your career counseling. Let me understand where exactly you are. According to that, I'll give you suggestion that whether AWS admin is good for you or a DevOps engineer role is good for you, right? Let's move on to the next question. सर आप मेरा इंटरव्यू ले लो फ्रेशर के लिए AWS क्लाउड इंजीनियर प्रोफाइल के लिए. श्योर सार्थक, please join my channel membership. Let me take, I don't have any problem. Just now I have explained to Susil that you have to join my channel membership. Just join my channel membership, and you can see in the community post you will be able to find out one Teams link. Click on that one, send me request, I'll accept your request, and I'll schedule your interview on AWS, okay, at a fresher level. So Pratik sir, how much database as I know Linux admin? So it's very important being a Linux. I said database is something everybody should know, whether a developer or a platform engineer or a SRE engineer or a DevOps engineer or a cloud engineer, right? Or a Linux admin, Pratik. So you should know, because you should know what a database is all about, why we execute a DDL, a select, insert or update query, what types of query. Suppose you will be working, so sometimes you need to fetch the data also, to test the data also, right? So being a good Linux admin, you should know your database also, Pratik. According to me, you should know how to take a backup of your data, because when you work in a 3 tier architecture where your application is also there, web layer is also there, your database layer is also there, right? So you only tell me, if suppose you cannot tell, right? Being a infrastructure, I said, when you are working as a cloud engineer, right? So you have to work within that 3 tier architecture, right? Or a Linux admin only, right? So you cannot tell, no, I should not work towards the database side, right? But it, in most of the, I have seen, right, uh, uh, like resources, they are scared of database because they think that that is something which they cannot handle. No, it's very simple and easy, guys. I know there is a uh, implications are there when you are dealing with a huge data, right? A database is something which you need to handle very uh, there are some precautions are required which you need to do it, okay? So you have to handle very properly with your, but the most important that you need to see, with the data only you can test your application, right? So once you establish a connection between application and the database, right, when you do the migration and all, at that time the database knowledge is required, Pratik, right? So in most of the migration activity, database knowledge is must required, according to me, Pratik, okay? So my suggestion is that you should be well aware of your database, whether it's a MongoDB, NoSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, or any other database. Okay, you should have knowledge of your database, how to take a backup, how to restore your data, how to import the database SQL file and all. Everything is important, right? Whether your data is intact or not, right? Inside your database, right? All the tables are available or not, so you have to see all those details once you are doing the migration activity, being a Linux admin also. So I hope I am able to answer your question, Pratik, right? Tejas Wagmare, hi sir, good day. Hi Tejas. So thank you, Vishal. So guys, I can see now I am able to answer most of you guys questions and all. There are so many. Has a purchase bootcamp, career counseling, how to see Siba. I think it is already available in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So there is a link I have given in the announcement section. Okay, please go there and click on a Teams link, so you will be able to connect with me. So once you click on that one, I'll accept your invitation and I can take your career counseling, Shiva, right? So is it possible to get a job Linux admin without PF and Form 16? No, Vinod, I don't think so. So they need that. The PF account is mandatory, because now you guys have don't know why I'm telling this one, because a PF account and Form 16 is why important. PF only will tell that organization is a registered organization, okay? Because every organization uh, has to be a PF account, right? Then only that organization is registered. That is the authenticity of our organization. Plus one more thing, now you guys have heard about UAN. So every employer has to register their PF to a UAN. Okay, that is suppose if you previously work with any of, so if they have a PF account and all, and it has to be linked with your UN is the universal account number. Okay, which has to be linked, and you going forward you will be linking all your PF accounts of any of the previous employer. Okay, you have to link with that particular UAN only, and that will give the authenticity also. This organization is a uh, legitimate organization, or this organization is registered organization and all. So it is required, according to me, for if you want to see a good career and all going forward for all the good organization, or right, Fortune 500 companies and all, according to me, you need a PF account and all, and form 16 is required, Vinod. Okay, how much time it will take complete course? Which one, Manoj? I don't know how much time it's take. Which course? Linux administration, the 40 days of IT corporate bootcamp, Manoj. So it's going to take minimum 1 month. If I'm only completing the Linux administration plus shell scripting, then, but there is a 10 days buffer, I have kept it. If you are looking for this answer, so answer to your question, this one. Okay, so guys, I think I'm already crossed the time today. It's a holiday, I know. But every Sunday I do these live sessions and all. So I request, please make a, okay, so Abhishek Jha, please make a video on FSCK. Abhishek, for FSCK, I'm not sure whether you have taken my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp or not. So there are so many, see, in that only, in disk partition only, okay, in disk partition only you are going to see the maximum use of FSCK. But if you guys want a dedicated video, so I have noted down your comment also, Abhishek. So I'll make a dedicated video only for FSCK, which all, how many types you can use FSCK command. Okay, is that good for you? I'll take it up, your request. Okay, I'll make a video on that one, right? So Bhaskar, if you want a cloud and network, see, network wise networking also, but it's mostly related to cloud networking. So it's going to be in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp only, Bhaskar. It's already, so I have started uploading the AWS videos also soon. Okay, so this month I'll be complete upload the AWS video, because the, see, that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, whoever is going to buy, let me tell them very clearly that there are 150 plus videos I'll be uploading. Okay, it's not uploaded, it's going to be uploading. The reason behind that one, because the live classes are still going on. So once the live classes will be done, okay, so what I'll do is that, see, now it is almost 63 or 64 videos are uploaded to my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, guys. And in that one I have already started the AWS video uploaded, means one or two videos I have uploaded as of now. So as soon as I'll finish the classes, right, so I'll upload those recorded videos to my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp only. Okay, so how to join live classes? So to join the live classes, there are only two batches. So I have given an email ID to that one, Manoj. I have given my email ID. Let me ping my email ID once again. Okay, at the rate of gmail.com. So you just mention in this one, in the subject line, send me a mail to my email ID and mention that you are interested in 40 days of IT corporate bootcamp, Hindi batch or English batch, with your name, with your email ID, with your phone number. So you will get a request of a link soon, before 10th of this September, and you guys can join my live session through that link only. Answer to your question, Manoj. Okay, which webcam you use? I it's a Sony I'm using, Abhishek. Okay, Sony something E10 something, some camera is there that I am using. Okay, so fine, guys. I think I have answered most of the questions. Whoever questions I have left, I have not answered. Please join my next live session on next Sunday. Saturday also, I'll try to do a live session, but I'm not getting times on Saturday, so that I can do it. So, and guys, again I am telling you that I can see the kind of support and love you I'm getting from you guys for my channel. It's really appreciable, and I'm thankful to all my viewers, subscribers and members also who is supporting me. But again, there are very less subscription I can see in my channel. the kind of content I'm providing you guys every day, I'm trying to push, right, myself for you guys, right, so that, right, most of you can get benefit out of it. So but I don't see much subscription from you guys. Okay, so please go ahead and subscribe my channel, guys, so that we can take this channel to the next level. That is what my goal is. So that, and going forward now, the my goal is towards more towards the AWS questions and answer and the course only. Okay, so you guys will be soon see those videos in my channel. Okay, it's already available, but there are limited videos only, but now it's going to be full of series and all, so you guys are going to get it over there. But my humble request to all of you that I need your support. Please go ahead and subscribe the channel, that is important for me. And there are one more good news which I'm going to tell you, but it will take another 1 week. Okay, and it is going to change your life. Okay, as all most of you are already getting jobs and all, I know. And also I request all of them, like what today Vishal has done, that if you guys are getting jobs, please mention in the comments, please mention through mails and all, so it will be a motivation for others. Okay, I know if you get the job, so please don't kept quiet. Okay, so please mention, so other will also get motivated out of it. That is what the intention of this channel is all about. So everybody should learn and earn. Okay, so thank you guys for joining this 21st live session. And again, a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Just take care of yourself, your loved one, right? May God, Ganesha will bring happiness to your life. Till then, bye bye and Jai Hind, guys.